What is Fetch Pay, how to use it, how to set it up, and how to double your savings using this feature in the Fetch Rewards app. Hi everyone, this is Saving with Talis. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. As I mentioned, this video is about a feature that Fetch Rewards app has, which is called Fetch Pay. And so let's find out how to use it, how to set it up. And so I just wanted to let you know this is something that is relatively new. It is in the beta stages as of the making of this video, which means that not everybody has it. But I imagine that as time goes on, it'll be rolled out to everyone. And so watching this video means that once you get it, you know how to use it. And this way you don't have any issues when you do use the feature, because it really does make you extra money. And later on in the video, we'll talk about how you can double your savings. So let's get started. Fetch Pay is another way for you to earn extra Fetch Rewards points. Basically what you do is you are buying e-gift cards through the app, and when you do so, you get Fetch points. In order to start using this feature, the first thing you have to do is set it up by going to Get Started and then linking your banking information. In order to do that, you click where it says Get Started, and then a list of banks will come up. If you do not see the bank that you use listed, all you have to do is just type your banking information, the bank's name, and it'll come up. You click it, and then you'll get a screen where you will enter your login ID and your password. The next step is to verify your identity. And so in the app, you will receive a message that indicates that you will be getting a code and how you want to receive this code. You have a choice of either getting it through email, through text, or a phone call. Once you receive the code, you enter it into the Fetch Rewards app. Once that is completed, you will then choose which account you want to use. In other words, some people have a checking account or a savings account. You will choose which one you want to use to pay for your gift cards in the Fetch Rewards app. The one thing that you need to be aware of is that you need to have sufficient funds. In other words, if you want to buy a gift card for $50, your balance in your bank cannot be $50. It has to be more than that. Otherwise, the transaction in the Fetch Rewards app will not go through. Then after that is completed, then you'll choose a 4-digit PIN to use with Fetch Pay, and this is to ensure security. Once you enter your Fetch PIN, that's it. That's all you have to do in order to connect your banking information to the Fetch Rewards app. And then you're set to go and start making transactions by buying gift cards, and which each one earns different things. So let's look a little bit more about how that works. When it comes to entering financial information into an app, people are always wondering and sort of leery about entering it. However, according to Fetch Rewards, they say that they have an encrypted service that is super secure and it protects your financial information. So let's look more in detail about what are some of the things that you need to know in order to use this feature of the app and maximize your savings. And then afterwards, we'll talk about how you can double your savings using this feature. So what I have on the screen is my referral code, which I would appreciate if you don't have the app already. Use my referral code, and then once you download it, you'll get points automatically added to your account. Let's start by looking at the difference between Fetch Pay and Use Points, because in both situations you're getting a gift card. However, how you get that gift card is what makes a difference. So in my situation right now, I have 1,750 points. Say for example, I want to get a gift card for Sephora. In order for me to get this gift card, I need to have enough points in order to get the $10 gift card. I only have 1,750 points. So with Fetch Pay, I am not restricted, because all I have to do is just link my banking information. So say for example, if I want to buy a gift card in the amount of $50 for Amazon, all I have to do after I link my bank information is just enter the amount of the gift card that I want, and then click it, and that's it. Okay, so the one thing that you need to know is that each one is very different. I wanted to buy something from Zappos, and so this one has a select gift card that you can buy. You can either get a $25 or a $50. So each retailer is a little different. So for example here, Tony Roma's, if you're going to buy a gift card from there, It can be anywhere between $25 and $200. The thing is that you have to print the gift card at home. So you have to be able to connect to a printer in order to get your gift card. Let me show you another one. Here's this one, the coffee bean. You also have to print it at home, but not every one of those is like that. It's relatively easy to do. Each one is very different, and so you have to be aware of that whenever you're making a transaction. So for example, here Skype is fixed options. It's either 21 or 50, but not all of them are like that. See, in this one, the minimum amount of a gift card that you can purchase, and this is something else that you need to know, the minimum amount of a gift card that you can purchase is $25. And the maximum is, let's see, $200. Let's look at some of the other retailers where you can buy. Here you can enter whatever price. It could be anywhere between $25 and $100. So as I mentioned, that's one of the things that you need to be aware of. Each retailer is different and has its own set of rules. The one thing that you need to be aware of whenever you're using this app is that the minimum, of course, as I mentioned before, is $25. And then depending on how much the limit is for the gift card, whatever the amount is, like this one, you can make up to $200. The one thing that you also need to know, in addition to the minimum, is that per day, your transaction can only be $200. In other words, let's say that you have several gift cards for Lane Bryant, right? And you buy them for $25. Well, eventually you will maybe able to accumulate enough and say you have $400 worth of gift cards. You cannot spend the whole $400 in one day. There is a limit where you can only spend $200 a day. Okay, so now you're set up and you are ready to start using FetchPay. And so now, how do we maximize our savings using this app? So say, for example, I want to buy a $25 gift card for Kohl's. If I use FetchPay and I buy a $25 gift card, I am automatically saving or earning 1,000 points. And of course, that turns into more savings in using the Fetch Rewards app, right? So that's one way. The other thing is, belonging to the rewards program of the store where you're going to be making a transaction will also earn you points. So that's the second way that you earn or double your savings. You are not only just earning something through FetchPay, but you will also be earning something if you belong to a rewards program at the store where you're making a purchase. In some cases, depending on the merchant, you may even be able to triple your savings, and this is how. When you're using FetchPay, you are earning something by buying a gift card. So that's one way. The next thing is you use that gift card to pay at a merchant that offers a rewards program. But then the third way is by using a cashback site, which means that you get cash back for the transaction that you're doing. This doesn't only work for online shopping, it also works by using store pickup, in which you don't have to pay for shipping. Here's how. There are several cashback sites that you can use. For this example, I'm going to show you Top Cashback for two reasons. The first one is that it's the one that I use the most. I've been using cashback sites to do transactions for a long time, and I find that this is one of the ones that has the highest percentage cashback for a lot of retailers. The other reason is because this way I get to show you how you can get a freebie bonus if you decide to register as a new member with Top Cashback, which I'll show you after this. So for this example, let's say that I have a gift card that I purchased through FetchPay for Express. So what I'm going to do is, instead of going directly to the Express store, I'm going to go to topcashback.com and I'm going to sign into my account. Now, in your case, if you don't have an account, then I'm going to show you how you can sign up and then get a freebie, like I mentioned before. So I'm going to sign into my account and I'm going to search for Express and click on it. At this moment, I can get 4% for an online purchase or 2% when I buy through site to store purchase, right? It really, for me, in my opinion, I don't pay for shipping. So either way, sometimes Express has free shipping days. So the bottom line is, As long as it gets to be free shipping and there isn't an additional charge, that's what makes the difference here. So what I'm gonna do is click on Get Cashback, and then this is going to open up the express.com website. And here, I'm just gonna pick whatever it is that I want to buy. I'm going to add it to my shopping cart, and then at checkout, I'm gonna use the FetchPay gift card. And then I'm going to make sure that I get free shipping either by site to store or by getting it mailed to my house. So once the transaction is verified, I'm going to get the cash back added to my account on top cash back. So this ends up saving you money or rewards or points through using FetchPay, through Express Rewards Program, and then cash back through the topcashback.com website. So now that you know how to use FetchPay, how to set it up, and then how to double or maybe even triple your savings, let me show you how it is that you can also get a freebie on Top Cashback when you register as a new member if you don't have it already. So what you do is you go to my website, savingwithtalis.com, and on here I have the latest free bonus for people who open a new account with Top Cashback. So hold on one second, let me look for the latest one here. Here it is. So currently, for new members that open a new account with Top Cashback, you can get a free beverage dispenser. So you click on it, and then in order to register, you'll be able to get the free offer by clicking on one of the links that is on the site, and they're highlighted in orange. What you do is you click on it, and then that will take you to the Top Cashback account where you open a new account and you register. And then once you complete your registration, you're able to get the free offer that is being given at the moment. So the way it works with cashback sites is you pay up front, but then you get the money back, and then you're able to redeem it for either a gift card or cash. The main reason why I have a website and a YouTube channel is because my goal is to help people save money. So I would greatly appreciate if you share this video and also subscribe and give this video a like. And I hope that you come back and watch more videos. There's more information on how to save more money through my website, savingwithtalis.com. You can even shop with Amazon promo codes and so on. So give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you come back to learn different ways to save money. Thanks for watching Saving with Talis.